Learners, my name is Shubhangi Jepulkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. This session is going to be about learning the formation of vision and mission statements. Let us recall from the last lecture what vision statement is. It is a direction to the company, right? So, it is a desired state in the future where a company wants to reach. It is an answer to the question what you want to become, where you want to go. So, to define it, the vision statement or vision line is an intent of the company to focus all of its resources and energies on achieving a desired future state. So, how these vision statements are formed? Often you will see that these visionary statements are very inspiring and they have a winning tone led by the company. So it all starts with a mental exercise and a lot of brainstorming where many sentences can be formed and then reviewed again and again and then reach to finalize one of them. So after a lot of brainstorming and mental exercises, there happens a vision audit wherein this vision is thought and tried whether it will be feasible to achieve it, how long it will take, if the obstacles come then what will happen, and likewise. So there is a situational analysis through which the vision audit is done. So selecting the target market is also an aim while forming a vision statement. We'll see it in the example that how the customer market or the customer segment is often reflected through its vision statements. Vision statement has to be very precise and objective. If I say that yes, I want to be number one in the world. Someone say yes, okay. In what you want to be number one? So again the sentence has to be or needs a precision. That's why we say that vision statements are to be objective, purposeful and very precise. They have to be very well defined what exactly the company wants to do, because they reflect the plans of the company to reach that place where it wants to go. I will take an example of Microsoft. Let's see. The founding statement of Microsoft was a computer at every desktop and every home. So, if there is a globe, it is aiming every home in the world and serving its MS Windows on every desktop, and still nobody is able to compete Microsoft. So the statement still stands from the Microsoft that yes, for the competition doors are open but the windows are not. So there is a great purpose, people. Friends, try to understand this vision statement is always supported by mission statements. If Microsoft is saying that yes, it wants computer at every desktop, at every house means it is talking about the whole world. LinkedIn, let's talk about LinkedIn. It talks about providing an economic opportunity for every job seeker. Let's take an example of YouTube, where you are probably watching this video. Friends, what is the vision statement of YouTube? Yes, YouTube talks about letting the voice of people reach to the world. So voice and to the world. So what is voice? That's an urge of a person to raise and to reach to the people so that it will be expressive and people will also come to know. And it aims to reach to the world, whole world, whosoever is using internet.